That was hot and brutal. And this was only 3 hours of this. And this is our porch overlay that we did. Now we're doing a 6-foot step. So what we're doing here is just centering it on the pillars. We are 6 foot 4.5 inches, so we'll be 2.25 inches away from this pillar, 2.25 inches away from this pillar. We're going to be digging down. What we want to hit is a 5.5 inch step, which is a short step, but we want to split this difference in half and be able to elevate this walkway when they pour it for concrete. So that's just where we're going with this. We're gonna have a 16-inch tread, so the shorter the step, the longer the step tread is better. Just think of it like your stride is only so long. If you have a, say, 8-inch step, you actually have to lift your foot up higher, which means your stride is less. But if you have a 5.5, 6-inch step, your stride is actually longer because you don't have to lift your foot up as much. So that's what we're aiming here for this. So this is what we do with our steps, at least only one step if we're just placing it. Base prepared, screed HPB, 6 to 8 inch base plus HPB, and then we put down our slabs across. We cut them to size, so this is going to be 16 inches. This will be the edge of our step. And then it's easy enough to just lay our step on this. So since we screeded, just lay them, they're level, and now we can just start laying out our step nice and easy, and we'll get started with that. It is 35 degrees plus humidity in the 40s. That's Celsius for our American listeners there. It is hot. I got the How to Hardscape podcast in my ear this week. We talked to Tony Bass. He wrote the E-Myth for landscape contractors. Highly recommend that book, as well as How to Hardscape podcast. Go listen to that. Oh, and this Milwaukee fan helps. And there we have it. Our step is built. Our cap is gonna go on. We are 15 inches from there to there. And then we'll have a 1-inch overhang. And we are 1-inch overhang here, 1-inch overhang here, which means we're 70 inches across, and then 72 inches for the cap. Cap's just gotta be glued on, and we're done. There it is. This is going to be finished with concrete, so I just threw those back there, but cap is glued. We also glued down the wall units to the block, or the slab underneath. And there's our 16-inch tread, 5.5-inch rise. Nice deep tread for a foot, and we are done. That was hot and brutal. And this was only 3 hours of this. Hey, I hope this video's helped you in some way. If it has, please give this video a like, comment below any questions that you may have, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more hardscaping content like this. Thank you so much for watching.